Hello friends, and I welcome you all to IND World YouTube channel. Let's start. Today we are going to talk on Trump back in power and how will it affect the India-Middle East Corridor AMEC project, as we know that this project was started in Biden president to connect India to Europe by connecting Middle East, and it wasn't further move because the war between Israel and Palestine start, and Trump has a positive view on AMEC. Trump has expressed support for the India-Middle East Europe Economic Corridor IMEC, viewing it as a strategic initiative to enhance regional economic cooperation and counter China's Belt and Road Initiative, BRI. The IMEC aims to develop efficient transportation routes, including railways, shipping networks, and digital communication cables, to enhance trade connectivity among participating countries. In his second term, Trump is expected to promote the IMEC project, recognizing its potential to strengthen economic ties between the US, India, and other participating nations. This initiative aligns with his broader strategy to counter China's influence and bolster US economic interests in the region. Additionally, Trump's administration has indicated plans to impose higher tariffs on Chinese imports, which could incentivize companies to relocate manufacturing to countries like India. This move is seen as an opportunity for India to attract investments and boost its electronics manufacturing sector, aligning with the objectives of the AMEC to enhance regional economic integration. Overall, Trump's support for the IMEC reflects his administration's focus on strengthening alliances and creating economic corridors that offer alternatives to China's BRI, thereby promoting a more balanced global economic architecture.